Time is running out for the IBHAS MPhil entrance examination, and you have to get ready to ace it with us. Welcome to Flourish and Thrive. Today we'll be tackling a mock paper for the IBHAS MPhil entrance exam. Each question will be solved in the video, so feel free to pause to answer. If you need extra time, don't hesitate to take it. Let's dive in and get started. Question 1. Which process involves the conversion of physical energy into electrical signals through specialized receptor cells? Your options are transduction, modulation, amplification, integration. The correct option is option A. Question 2. Which term refers to the minimum amount of a stimulus that can be detected 50% of the time? Subliminal threshold, sensory threshold, stimulus threshold, absolute threshold. The correct option is option D. Question 3. Which term describes the central area of the retina where cones are densely packed? Optic nerve, macula, fovea, or the cornea? Correct option is option C. Question 4. What does infantile amnesia suggest about our memory? It indicates a complete inability to remember any experiences during infancy. Option B. It suggests a partial inability to recall experiences during adolescence. Option C. It implies a difficulty in remembering experiences during the first 2 or 3 years of life. It signifies a heightened ability to recall memories during early childhood. The correct option is option C. Question 5. Which theory proposes that our perception of color arises from the antagonistic responses of specialized neurons to pairs of opposing colors such as red-green, blue-yellow, and black-white? Your options are color spectrum hypothesis, color integration theory, opponent process theory, color synthesis model. The correct option is option C. Question 6. What do state of consciousness refer to? Your options are different levels of physical alertness, various emotional states experienced throughout the day, varying degrees of awareness of oneself and the external world, diverse cognitive abilities exhibited in different situations. The correct option is option C. Question 7. What is meant by automatic processing? Deliberate and focused processing of information with minimal conscious awareness, analytical thinking involved logical reasoning, intentional recall of past events and experiences. The correct option is option B. Question 8. Which term refers to the adjustment process of the visual system to low light conditions, enhancing sensitivity to light? Illumination adjustment, photoreceptor amplification, light sensitivity augmentation, dark adaptation. The correct option is option D. Question 9. What does kinesthesia refer to? The sense of taste and smell, the perception of sound waves, the sense that provides information about the location of body parts relative to each other and enables movement, the sense of balance and spatial orientation. The correct option is option C. Question 10. Let's look at the paragraph. Imagine you have a favorite coffee shop where you always order your morning latte. Initially, the aroma of freshly brewed coffee may be pleasant, but doesn't evoke a strong response beyond appreciation. However, over time, you notice that every time you walk into a coffee shop, you hear a specific song playing softly in the background. As you enjoy your latte each day, you find yourself humming along to the tune. After several visits, you realize that whenever you hear that particular song, you start craving a latte, even if you're not in the coffee shop. Let's look at the question. In the scenario provided, what is the conditioned stimulus? The aroma of freshly brewed coffee? Is it the specific song playing in the coffee shop? Tasting the latte, or option D, ordering a latte? The correct option is option B. Question 11. What is the conditioned response in the scenario provided? Hearing the song playing in the coffee shop, tasting the latte, craving a latte upon hearing a specific song, or option D, ordering a latte? The correct option is option C, craving a latte upon hearing the specific song. Question 12. What is the unconditioned stimulus in the scenario? The enjoyment and satisfaction of drinking a latte, the specific song playing in the coffee shop, seeing the coffee shop, or tasting the latte. The correct option is option A. The enjoyment and satisfaction of drinking a latte is an unconditional stimulus. Question 13. What is the unconditioned response in the scenario described? Tasting the latte, craving a latte upon hearing the specific song, enjoyment and satisfaction of drinking a latte, ordering a latte. The correct option is option C. Enjoyment and satisfaction of drinking a latte. Question 14. Fill in the blank. Hypohedonia is the term used to describe the blank in the ability to experience pleasure, often due to genetic factors. Your options are impairment, enhancement, excessive pleasure, genetic inheritance. The correct option is option A, impairment. Question 15. In the context of operant conditioning, what technique allows individual to monitor and alter bodily responses not typically under voluntary control? Your options are classical conditioning, cognitive restructuring, biofeedback, and Pavlovian conditioning. The correct option is option C, biofeedback. Thank you for participating in this practice paper. We hope it will help you in the real exam. Remember, the competition is tough, but with practice and consistency, you can ace it. Keep studying hard, stay focused, and believe in yourself. Together, we can conquer any challenge. Good luck and see you in the next video.